Hello my friends. If you look out here you can see the field is just all yellow, and this is goldenrod. And what I'm going to do now is harvest some of this and dry it to make tea. Here the tea can be made from the flowers and the stem and leaves. Back in 1773, the colonies protested the English tea, and they drank goldenrod tea, and they called it Liberty tea. 5 pounds. Found the best way to do this is to load from the bottom up, one shelf at a time. I'm using this silicone screen. It's got real small holes. This will keep a lot of it from dropping all the way to the bottom. I'm going to have to go every other tray. The remaining, about 1.5 pounds, I'm going to dehydrate in my oven. I'll set it on low and I'll leave the door cracked open. To keep it open, I take a wooden spoon, and that's it. Set it on the lowest temperature. Here's the goldenrod out of the oven. It dried overnight. The dehydrator, it's still a little bit moist, so that's still running. The oven temperature, I had it at the lowest setting, was 170 degrees. Won't go any lower than that. I'm stripping the flowers and whatever leaves were on it, and the harder stems I'm discarding. I placed the tea in a clear glass so you can see the color. And I steeped it for about 20 minutes. So, very pleasant taste. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.